Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about the schedule based on recoverability. Okay, so we'll discuss about schedule based on recoverability. So based on the recoverability, schedules are two types. One is irrecoverable schedule and another one is recoverable schedule, right? Another one is recoverable schedule. Firstly, we'll discuss about irrecoverable schedule. So this schedule is what? This schedule is irrecoverable schedule. Why it is irrecoverable schedule? Let's understand. So here in this transaction T1, here it is a right of A, and after that transaction T2 is reading this updation. Okay, so here it is right of A, after that it is a reading, and after reading it is committing the transaction T2, right? So यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, commit हो गया T2 का. Now after commit of T2, T1 is committing or rollbacking, right? T2 is committing or rollbacking. So in this situation we cannot recover this schedule, right? In this situation we cannot recover this schedule. That's why this schedule is irrecoverable schedule. Okay, that's why this schedule is irrecoverable schedule. So here you can see, if T2 reads A, if T2 reads A, which is updated by T1, which is updated by T1, and commit of T2 is before commit or rollback of T1. Commit of T2 is before commit of T2 is before commit or rollback of T1, right? That's why this schedule is what? Irrecoverable schedule. So here this schedule is irrecoverable schedule. Now we'll discuss about the recoverable schedule. So what is the recoverable schedule? This schedule is what? A recoverable schedule. This schedule is a recoverable schedule. Why this is recoverable schedule? Because here it is a write of A, and here it is a read of A. So here it is update, here it is reading the update of T1. So commit of this transaction T2 is delayed. Commit of transaction T2 is delayed until the commit of transaction T1. Commit or rollback of transaction T2. So sorry, T1. Commit or rollback of transaction T1. This situation or this schedule is known as recoverable schedule, right? So this schedule is known as recoverable schedule. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये राइट कर रहा है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे ये रीड कर रहा है, और इसका ट्रांजेक्शन T2 का जो कमिट है वो क्या कर दिया गया है, डिले कर दिया गया है. कब तक डिले कर दिया? जब तक T1 का कमिट या रोल बैक नहीं हो जाता, राइट? सो इन दिस केस दिस शेड्यूल विल बी रिकवरेबल शेड्यूल. तो इस केस में क्या रहेगा, ये रिकवरेबल शेड्यूल रहेगा. सो यू कैन सी दिस वन ऑल्सो. इफ T2 रीड्स ए which is updated by T1, then commit of T2 should be delayed until the commit or rollback of T1. So जो स्टोरी मैंने बताई है सेम स्टोरी मैंने यहाँ पे लिख रखी है, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट recoverable schedule. Okay, so this is the story of recoverable schedule.